Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex market analysis for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and after the NFP report there was not much movement in the market. Yes, market did go down, the US dollar did go down after the NFP, but we saw immediate recovery on the US dollar. And if we look at the overall chart of US dollar here, then we can see that US dollar is still very much bullish, and still in uptrend, no doubt about it. And most importantly, the US dollar is still respecting this trend line. When the NFP report came out yesterday, I thought that US dollar would break the break the support and would go down. But surprisingly, the trend line is still a valid support for the US dollar. And right now you can see that US dollar is standing at a very crucial position. Why? Let me show you. If you're thinking why I'm talking about US dollar in the video of gold, then if you're new, then let me tell you that US dollar has got huge impact on the market. Whenever dollar goes up, we see gold price goes down, and when US dollar goes down, we see gold going up. This is the main reason I'm talking about US dollar. So if you go to the weekly chart of US dollar here, then you can see that US dollar is just standing at a very important crucial resistance in the market. And if you observe the candle carefully, then you can see that it has formed a doji pattern on the chart. Doji pattern just at the weekly resistance. And as we all know, doji signifies indecision in the market. Doji signifies battle between the buyers and the sellers. Therefore next week will be very crucial for our market. So in case dollar starts going up from here, dollar breaks the resistance and starts going up from here, then definitely there will be fresh selling on gold. And on the other hand, if the sellers lose the battle and if buyers lose the battle, buyers surrender, and if dollar starts going down from here, then there will be buying on the chart of gold. Clear? So next week will be very crucial for the US dollar. Now let's jump to the gold USD chart here. So this is the chart of gold USD, and you can easily see that there is not much change. To be honest, no change at all in the chart of gold here. Yes, max to max, if you want, you can draw a trend line here, but I am not drawing any lines because the only important levels in the chart of gold USD are just in front of us. So first of all, the important level is 1780 to 1790, the most important resistance for the market. And if you have been watching my videos, then you can see that the whole the previous week, okay, whatever we assume, predicted, everything would happen. We assumed that market would fail to cross the level, market would go down. Yes, market failed. We assumed that market will bounce from the support level, and the same thing happened again and again. Yes, we got plenty of opportunities to make money as well. So 1780 to 1790 still remains the most important resistance for gold USD at the top, and 1728 to 1717, 1728, 1717 is the ultimate support for the market, and 1740 to 1750 is another support for the market. And as you can see that, okay, now listen to me carefully, things may get pretty complicated. So as you can see that market is the last traded price of the market is 1760. This is the last traded price. So your strategy is just same like this week. If price comes down to 1740 to 1750 level, wait for the reversal. If you see price reversing or bouncing from the 1740 to 1750 level, you can go for buy, because this level is still an important support for the market. But as the gold has been testing this level for quite some time, because in market we know it very well that whenever we find market testing a level too much, the level usually gets cracked. Okay, market usually breaks the level. Therefore, there is a possibility of gold breaking the level as well. So if market bounces from this level 1740 to 1750, then only click on the buy button. This is your first trading opportunity on gold. The second trading opportunity is if market goes up from here on Monday. If market goes up from here on Monday, just observe the price at 1780 to 1790. If market reverses from this resistance level, again you can short the market, because this is your second trading opportunity. And if you're thinking that what you should be doing in the middle, then my dear friend, do not trade in the middle. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. See, if you buy or sell in the middle, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. See, it's up to you right now whether you want to be a trader or you want to be a gambler, because if you trade in the middle, you have a 50-50 chance. And on the other hand, if you trade at the right time, right opportunity, then you have a winning chance of at least 75 to 80%. So don't be a gambler, please be a trader. And you can only be a trader if you buy gold at this particular level when it will bounce, and secondly, you can short the market if it reverses from the resistance zone of 1780 to 1790. That is your second trading opportunity. Third trading opportunity is if gold breaks the level, of 1740. Yes, if dollar goes up, if dollar breaks the resistance level, then obviously there will be fresh selling on gold. And if gold breaks the level of 1740, then you can short gold below 1740. Yes, you can short gold below 1740. This will be your third trading opportunity if gold breaks the level of 1740, and your target will be 1728, this target. And your fourth trading opportunity is this level. And how to trade on this level? If gold bounces after breaking the previous support, or after breaking this support level, if gold bounces from 1728 to 1770 level, you can go for a buy, because this is the ultimate support for a gold chart right now. In case there is a heavy selling on the market, gold breaks the level of 1740, 1750, then this is the level that will be providing support to the market. And if market bounces from this particular level of 1728 to 1717, you can easily go for buy. So these are the four trading opportunities in front of you in the chart of gold. And my dear friends, do not trade in the middle, keep in mind, and please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Please be a trader, man. That is my request. And one more thing, I have recently launched the Pro Trader membership program, where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. So if you're interested, go to the avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find everything. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.